This is TECNO Spark Go 2024, and today I would like to share a few useful camera tips and tricks on this device. First, let's start by exploring the available camera modes. So here you have the short video mode that allows you to, record short videos that will be perfect fit for modern video format used in TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and so on. So that's pretty much a built-in TikTok recording mode. Then you also have the beauty mode that allows you to, enhance and beautify the faces of the people you're going to take pictures of. What else do we have here? The super night mode, which pretty much just stands for long exposure. And if you fancy the nighttime photography, I reckon that this mode is something you will find useful. And I guess as far as the modes go, that'll be more or less it. The AI cam is the regular photo mode, just for some reason, I know for what reason, but I mean, just being called as AI cam makes it more appealing and more modern, since AI is a hot topic nowadays, so that's pretty understandable. Then if you'll go into your camera settings, you'll find that the volume button in camera can be used as shutter or zoom. So if you, once it is set to shutter, you can take pictures by pressing either volume key. Or if you'll set the volume button action to zoom, give me a sec here, you can use volume up to zoom in and volume down to zoom out. So pretty convenient binding, if you ask me. Then you might have missed the fact that you can apply custom watermark, not regular ugly time, city, or brand watermark, but a custom one. So just switch on the text watermark toggle, input what text you would like for it to display, and now once the picture is taken or a video is recorded, it will have the watermark, a custom watermark, added or applied. Here it is. And then the camera of this phone also offers two additional shooting methods, so touch shooting and fingerprint shooting. Let's enable both of them and I'll quickly show how you can use those. So first, touch shooting, once enabled, it allows you to tap anywhere at the viewfinder to capture photo, as you can see. Now the fingerprint shooting, you need to simply get your finger to the fingerprint scanner that is located at the side power button. Just make sure not to press the key itself. Just kinda put your finger on top of it gently, and as you can see, the picture is being captured. Anyway, as far as this video goes, or as far as things that I wanted to share go, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.